used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her. The way she did it, nobody could do it clean up.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perfect this look using Flexi rods and your choice of cream and gel. I used the Garnier's Curl Structure and the Enhancement Smoothie by Shea Moisture. In this tutorial, I used the bigger rods in the back, working my way up with the smaller rods. I would recommend using this method if you prefer less shrinkage. So as I was finishing, I stopped to part my hair in the middle so I won't have to worry about that later. Don't forget, the most important part is putting the gel at the ends because you want it to stay all night through whatever you're doing while it dries. After a couple hours of drying, everything was right. I took one to test it and look at that curl. You couldn't tell me that's not a good curl, baby. Bounce.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
As I took the rods out, I raveled them. So like going the opposite direction that you rolled them so you can keep that curl and keep the motion of the curl. After I finished blow drying, I separated each twist one by one. I did that twice around my whole head and picked it out with my fingers. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.